What's good? The plan for today is to try and nail down the sound of that old school 2000s R&B. That stuff that gets you in your feels, gives you the right kind of bounce, but at the same time that melodic emotion, that Ashanti, Destiny's Child style feel. Let's see if we can get somewhere in the ballpark. Let's get into it. If you want to pick up any of the sounds that I use for this beat, check out the sound vault, that'll be linked in the description. Let's go. I have a little bit of an idea as to kind of how I want things to sound just off the very top. That's kind of what gave me the idea to start with this today, and it starts at 1:30. And I'm just hearing, this is the only thing I've got for inspiration right now. I don't even know what the instrument is. Why do I feel like that's literally gonna already be in the track? I don't know how, I don't know where. Oh, this could be fire. Yeah. I'm already hearing it. 1, 2, 3, let's go. It's a little bit fast. Let's quantize all of that. Whoa, why is that one so sharp? And I want a low one. I want a... And it's creepy. Okay, this would be cool. This is where we go in. Now we get the kit. We need a quiet one. Cat, boom, boom. 1, 2. Yeah, perfect. There it is. Where's this last one? Dun, cat, dun, cat, dun, dun, cat, dun, cat. Doon cat do cat gadoon. Do cat do right just here. Cat do cat do cat gadoon. Do cat do cat gadoon. One more space. Do cat do cat gadoon. I'm gonna pull up a drum rack for this new track, drum rack, and we'll just layer on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, that's something. It's fun. Move this one over here. Nice. Bring it up in pitch. 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 Let's put an LFO on it and map it so that it kind of moves ever so slightly in pitch. We take this, because you can use this to map it to literally anything. Yeah. And if we want to make it really cool, we'll add a little bit of delay. Leave the drums just there for now. That's crazy. And we bring it up an octave. Bring these ones down. We're here. I already told you, you are not the one. I just made money. I be having fun. Never took the time to get to know me, and now you show me you. You just wanna play the game, yeah. From a sound that's stay the same. Woo. in the crib in a plane. In a plane. Wow. Oh, here we go. All right, new track. And by the way, if you guys want to know exactly how I do this stuff, I know my chords, I learn how to break down some of my favorite genres, my influences, my artists, check out Producer Mastery. That's the community that I have available where I'm helping people coach, develop their skills, learn exactly how to break down their favorite tracks so that they can create the best music that they can make. Check it out. That'll be linked down in the description. And if you need one-to-one coaching, dedicated FaceTime weekly support, I do have 3 spots left for that as well. So I'll leave all of those linked. Pick which one feels right for you. And yeah, if you're interested in one-on-one coaching, you can have a free call first to ask me some questions if you're confused. One of my favorite sounds, hands down, Kaleidoscope Birdie. Woo! No, that's insane. I like that walk up. If I can't hear it very well, I like to go an octave up. It could be that. So it sounds like this. No, and that's how you know it doesn't work. That works. Ah, yeah, that's crazy. Ah. Just gonna do it crazy, yeah. Yeah. To the stone, I see wanna say, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good to the day, yeah. Oh, hey, add in the guitar right now, Play the guitar, show me how. Play the guitar, but show me how. Oh! This one's major. And that was dominant. So we'll create a new track. Make sure we put it on input number 2. And let's record these guitars in. I think I got it with the first half. And then you've got to put in that layer just this. It's up high, it's quite high, and it's just this little. We might have to quantize that, but it felt pretty good coming off the fingers, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we'll put EQ on it. I'm almost wondering if that could sound nice through like a saturator that gives it an old-timey feel. Always listen to it in a mix. Oh! Combine that with a little bit of delay from the tubes. Oh, sorry, spring verb. Woo! I'm not even gonna lie, I'm nice with it, bro. 27 minutes. I'm nice with it. So this is what I'm hearing. I'm hearing we could bring it right. So we've got an intro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then the verse comes in. And then the verse comes in. The verse comes in. And I'm almost tempted to hold off on this and bring these in instead. Chorus, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Perfect, perfect. We just need a little bit more oomph coming in. Yeah, that's crazy. So I'm gonna go peculiar sounds. This has got all my R&B. Definitely some type, it's like definitely keys, glide, this G minor to that kind of dominant, and you could chuck a diminished shape on there as well, or we could even, that's even better. I like the ninth there. It might not be a glidey type thing. It could just be straight keys, you know? Like, let's try, for example, if I just pull the DX7 in here. You know what I'm saying? It could be that. Keep it real, real simple. Keep it real, real simple. Keep it real, real simple. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. We just need to treat all of the low end that we've just created now. Not with that. Because we still want the whole track to feel clean. And we need to, because we're coming up into the chorus now, let's bring up the energy of our drums as well, right? Try a loop maybe. There's a lot to love there. Like that right there is fire. Don't know if I love that. Okay, this bit's fire. Get rid of this. And then just add one more of the small ones. But you can see how it's got all of those resonances in it. We could just use some plugin like Soothe to help dynamically handle those resonances, those sharp frequencies that kind of pierce through my headphones. Yeah, already miles better. And to deal with the dynamics, we don't want to entirely get rid of them, but we can control them a little bit with some compression. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, crazy. Oh, now those drums are hitting, yo. Woo! Don't you go on anymore, baby. I just want your name. You just wanna sing it, baby. Hey. Nah, we done something special here. We done something special. Oh, wow. Let's take a listen. I feel like there's not too much crazy extra stuff that I need to add. As always, if you guys want to learn music production, develop your skills and learn to make music like your favorite artists, check out this Producer Mastery. Link down below. Let's take a listen. yeah, and don't, oh, yeah, you just want a name, and it did it all, but it did it day, did it da, she just wanna say, gotta da da da, but it da da day, oh. If a singer was on this and that was the note they hit, that would just make it, but it da da day, da 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 da, da 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 day. Ba da 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 yeah. Da 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 da. I don't want you know that she's down to run. I don't want you go, but she wouldn't wanna sing. I don't want you go, but she got it done. Oh yeah. Got it done. Hey. Hey. The beat is the one that makes it for me, man. So much space, so much percussiveness at the same time. Yeah, crazy. Let me know if you enjoyed this one, guys. It was an absolute pleasure to make. Let me know what else I should make as well. And if you guys want to check out some of my earlier attempts at making this kind of 2000s Timbaland style tracks, check this video right here. I know you see it.